The Karnataka government is facing fresh charges of trying to cover up key evidences in the land scam. Now, members of the opposition party, the JDS, apparently stormed into the office of the Bangalore Development Authority and they caught officials trying to conceal the documents. So is the Congress now attempting to hide facts in the denotification scam?
BDA staffers caught on cam, busy with paperwork, even as the office remains locked from the outside. Hours later, JDS party workers breaking open the door to catch BDA staffers red-handed. The timing of this occurrence compelling the opposition to raise questions, accusing the government of covering up illegal land denotification.
The way in which in BDA office, particularly in one room, not entire BDA office, correct. Particularly in one room, the records which were placed in that room, outside they locked the door, inside 4 or 5 BDA officials working inside.
The attack from a united opposition only adding to the sting, leaving the government scurrying for cover.
Now they have come to know that they are going to be fixed. That's why the conspiracy is going on to, as far as possible, to saturate the documents illegally. And my urge to the Chief Minister is, if at all he has not done anything, first let him ask the people to stop working after working hours.
With the CM remaining tight-lipped over the allegations, the government can expect a stormy assembly session.
A united opposition of the BJP and the JDS now alleges that the government and the BDA are hand in glove and that the government is misusing its position to cover up the tracks left behind by a certain denotification order issued by the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself. Now it remains to be seen how much longer the Chief Minister can evade the questions being asked. In Bangalore, Nikhil Joshi for Times Now.